How do I select or change my LISTSERV subscription topics? Topics provide a way to run an email list where several subtopics are being discussed. Subscribers can then choose the topics that they're interested in and only receive email messages related to those topics. To select or change your subscription topics, use the main navigation menu and log in. Click on the list of interest to open the list homepage. Then use the side menu and click on Subscribe or Unsubscribe. Use the checkboxes to choose your topics of interest, followed by Update Settings. You can also select or change your subscription topics by clicking on Subscriptions under the Subscriber Options menu. This screen will show all of the lists that you're subscribed to on the site. Use the checkbox next to the list for which you want to change your subscription settings. The report will show your current subscription topics. Use the checkboxes to select your new topics, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and use the pull-down menu to select Set, followed by Update. If you're subscribed to multiple lists with topics, this screen also allows you to select or change your subscription topics for multiple lists at one time. Thank you for watching.